Hello, in this video I'm going to show you 5 camera tips for your Motorola Edge 14L. So first, when you click on the screen, you are able to adjust the brightness by moving this icon up and down. You can also do this automatically by tapping twice. If you click on the volume up button or volume down, you can just take the photos. When you click and hold one of this button, you can switch between the video and the photo mode with the volume up button. With the volume down, you can actually just take the photos or click and hold to take the series of the photos. If you want to add some filters to your photos, so change the color and the temperature, you can do this by tapping just right here at the bottom of the screen. And that's how it looks. To turn it off, just get for the original, the first one. You can also click in this place, right here in the settings, go to the capture settings, and here you can take this option to turn on, tap anywhere to capture. So right now you don't have to use your shutter, you can just do this right here. And when we got the video mode, we are able to enable the the better optic image stabilization, just right here. So if you want to get your videos more stable, I can recommend you to turn on this option right here, and you can also switch the resolution between Full HD and 4K. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.